Hi, let us understand what is a linear equation in two variables. First of all, what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement with two expressions involving at least one variable and an equal to sign. At least one variable means one or more variables. So an equation actually equates two expressions. At least one of the expressions should contain one or more variables. Let us understand with examples. Is it an equation? No, it is just a single expression. Let us equate it with 0. Now, is it an equation? Yes. We are having two expressions which are equated and we are having a variable. Yes, it is equation. What about this? Dear friends, whether you are having variable x or y, it does not matter. Okay, it is also an equation. What about this? Yes, it is also an equation because we are equating two expressions and it is involving one variable, at least one variable. See, the power of variable does not matter. It is an equation. What about this? Yes, whether it is in terms of variable x or y, it does not matter. Yes, it is an equation. What about this? Here we are having two variables. At least one variable means one or more variables. So it is an equation involving two variables. Yes, it is an equation. What about this? Yes, we are having two expressions which are equated and there are two variables involved. Wonderful. It is also an equation. Okay. Now, what is linear equation? A linear equation is an equation with degree 1. Means highest power of the variable involving must be 1. So here it is linear equation because highest power of the variable is 1. That is degree is 1. It is also linear equation because degree of the variable involved is 1. Degree of the variable means highest power of the variable. Right. So these two are linear equations. What about this? Here the highest power is 2 and here the highest power is 2. So they are not linear equations. So you can remove them. They are not linear equations. What about this? X plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here both x and y are having highest power 1 only. So linear in x and y. So both are linear equations. Now we are interested in linear equation in how many variables? Two variables. So these two fellows are ruled out. So what are the linear equations in two variables? These are the examples for linear equations in two variables. So let us write down the standard form of linear equation in two variables. So first of all we should have two variables and for the variables we should have coefficients. So we are writing standard form, so write down a standard coefficient like a, b. Now you can create some other constant c and create an expression on left side, and on right side you can keep it 0 and equate them. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Here a and b are real numbers, even c also, they are real numbers, and a should not be 0 and b should not be 0. See my dear friend, if a is 0 means that ax becomes 0, it involves only one variable. We need two variables. So a should not be 0 and b should not be 0. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. You can try different examples. 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. See here, a, b, c can be any real number, sir. You can have positive or negative integers, positive or negative real numbers. See, you can have minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. You can have 2 by 3x plus 4 by 5y plus 8 equal to 0. They are all examples for linear equations in two variables. So if you understand the standard form, then you can easily identify whether the given equation is linear equation in two variables or not. Hope you understand. Thank you.